How to use Google Maps Street View on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can use Google Maps Street View on phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Google Maps in your device. After you have opened up your Google Maps, using the search bar at the top, you have to search for the location from where you want to view the street view. For example, I have this location right here. Now once you search for that location, if you see there is a small rectangle icon with the with the arrow oval type, if you tap on it here, that is your street view. Now with the help of your fingertip, you can zoom in and see the street view of this location right here. If you want to go forward, tap on this forward arrow and that's gonna take you to the forward direction. Again, if you want to go back, you could also do that with the background arrow or backward arrow. Now if you want to view the map as well, there is two-faced arrow at the bottom right corner. If you tap on it, you could also see the map. So that's the way to use Google Maps Street View on device or on your phone. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.